Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to delete your TikTok shop account permanently. To get started, first you need to sign in to your TikTok account. Once you're logged in, go to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. There, you will see a headset icon, which leads to the TikTok Shop Seller Center's online support. Click on the headset icon. When you're in the support center, you'll see a message box where you can type your inquiry. Simply type "Delete TikTok Shop" and hit send. Head over to your account settings, click on account information, and then look for an option called Deletion Requests. Follow the prompts to complete the process. Keep in mind that this option may only be available on the latest version of the TikTok Seller Center app. That's how you can go about deleting your TikTok shop account. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.